Hi, the Inspired Actor here with today's bonus archetypal action of Give. Give. Begin in a neutral stance. Feet shoulder width apart, arms at your side, chest open and radiating. Inhale. Bending your arms, reach your elbows backwards slightly with your palms facing up. Prep your right foot for a step forwards by lifting your heel off the floor. On an exhale, perform the following movements. Step forward with your right foot. Simultaneously, extend your arms in front of you, keeping your palms up. Shift your weight to your front foot, leaning in slightly. Your fingers are extended and pointed with a feeling of ease towards your imaginary scene partner or object of the gesture. While maintaining the pose, radiate the feeling of the gesture with your full, concentrated energy. Once you sense the gesture is at an end, return to neutral. Do not rush the ending of the gesture or let it continue after you feel it has concluded. And that is Give. This gesture, as taught by the Great Lakes Michael Chekhov Consortium, is based on Leonard Petit's 6 archetypal actions. According to Mr. Petit, there are 6 statements of action that all other actions are based in. For him, kissing and punching fall under the archetype of giving. One is soft and gentle, and the other is rough and violent, but he feels that they are essentially the same. According to him, one finds the difference through the quality of the action and the specifics of the choice you are making. Also, these are different from archetypal gestures in that they refer to your actions only and are not useful with regards to finding a character or gesture of a moment, atmosphere, or play. Archetypal gestures can serve as a basis for action, character, scene, atmosphere, entire script, entire experience of that script, and much, much more. To be honest, I'm on the fence with this gesture. I can see how it might serve as a starting point to figure out what I'm doing in a particular moment or beat, but it lacks a strong relationship of want and need that is one of the vital components of any actable gesture. It is also so vague that I'm not convinced it can even be useful as a starting point. I might not be understanding something though, so if you have any thoughts you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments. Seriously, I don't know everything, and someone out there might have some insight that I'm missing. As with all gestures, don't forget to use your full body and breath, and especially remember your feeling of ease and your feeling of form. See you all later.